Welcome to Science Sideways, the podcast where physics revision meets metaphor, mystery, and questionable life choices. Today's episode: static electricity and the shopping trolley of doom. Because sometimes the most shocking thing in the supermarket isn't the price of grapes. You're in the supermarket, foraging for something to keep you going until dinner. You reach for that tasty pot of pasta, and zap! You flinch. You look around. Did the shopping trolley just bite you? No one seemed to see, but you know. You've just been betrayed by a basket on wheels. This, dear listener, is static electricity. So yes, the trolley did actually attack you. Let's break this down. Static electricity is caused by friction when two materials rub together and build up a charge. You might walk, your shoes will rub, your jumper might cling to you, and you become a walking battery. And the trolley is made of metal. Metals like to conduct charges, especially if they're grounded to earth and waiting. When you touch the trolley, zap, the charge jumps from you into the metal and flows away. Translation? You're like a storm cloud, and the trolley is a lightning rod. And aisle 7 is where electrons make their move. Hello, you're live on Science Sideways. What is your question today?
Hi, I'm not going to give my name, but I got zapped by a trolley. It keeps happening. I think it's part of a government experiment. And I swear, it winked at me.
Show me the evidence that this is part of a government conspiracy and call me again. Until then, I think we're safe to say that the trolley is not part of an experiment. It's probably because you're wearing synthetic socks, maybe, dragging your feet. What's your jumper made of? Is that also some kind of synthetic fabric? Are you carrying emotional baggage? Static doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't wink at you. It cares about electrons. And you, my friend, are full of them. And now it's time for your shocking, sticky takeaway. Static electricity is the buildup of electric charges caused by friction when two insulators rub together. The static discharges when it touches a conductor, like a trolley, a doorknob, or your unsuspecting lab partner. Usually these voltages are small, and it's not dangerous. But do not worry, your shopping trolley can't kill you. It's just very dramatic. Okay, it's time for our dead scientist bearing a grudge. Let's talk about Charles-Augustin de Coulomb. He gave us the law that explains how electric charges attract and repel. He revolutionized electrostatics. He quantified the invisible. And what did he get? A unit that sounds something like you'd drizzle on a sad salad. Bonjour, I am Charles. I gave you the maths behind every zap, every shock, every clingy jumper. And yet, my unit is named after something that sounds like a vinaigrette. C'est tragique. Force got newtons. Energy got joules. Coulomb? He got mispronounced in year 9, mistaken for a condiment. Science. Sometimes you get credit. Sometimes you get croutons. Sometimes you get a trolley with a vendetta and no thank you card. Ugh. I should have held out for a force. Or at least a sandwich. Alright, and a shout out to Finlay in year 11 who said, static electricity is just physics, being petty. Correct. And poetic. Well, that's it for another Science Sideways. If your trolley has trust issues, your jumper is clingy, and your electrons are looking for an escape route, this podcast is for you. Share it, zap it, and remember, physics doesn't care about your dignity.